Hey everyone, today I'm transforming myself into my alter fighter ego like Taraji P. Henson, starring in the new movie Proud Mary in theaters January 12th, y'all. Taraji's character is Mary and she's a super fierce hit woman with killer looks. I partnered with Creme of Nature to show you all how I transform myself and my hair like Mary. Let's get started. First, I'm going to use Creme of Nature's new Argan Oil Sulfate-Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo, and this hydrates and detangles your hair while you're using it. So I did section off my hair into 4 sections, detangled, and proceeded to shampoo my hair like so. And I love this shampoo. This is my favorite shampoo. It's sulfate-free, so it's good for our curls, nice and gentle, and it's very, very moisturizing, and I definitely felt my hair detangling as I was using it. So I did rinse out the shampoo and I kept my hair in the 4 sections just to keep everything nice and neat and organized. Now we're going to get into my favorite part, y'all, which is the conditioning. My hair does feel amazing after the shampoo, but conditioning is key. I'm going to use the Strengthening Milk Mask Curl Repairing Deep Treatment, and this is within the Argan Oil line. This is a mask and it's strengthening, and I absolutely love the way this smells. All of the products smell the same, which I appreciate, so there's no mixing of the scents here. So I went ahead and applied this to my section first, mainly working on the perimeter and making sure I get the product thoroughly on my curls. And then I'm going to section off smaller pieces within my section to make sure that I have the mask thoroughly coated from root to end. And this just allows our hair to be really nice and healthy by applying it this way. So you get it on all of your hair. So I really love this conditioner. I feel like it's giving me so much slip, and as I'm applying it, and it's just luscious on my hair. So that is all applied now. As you can see, it's all throughout my hair. And I just put a little bit of the mask on my edges just to make sure that I keep my edges nice and strong. And I'm going to do the same exact process for the rest of my hair. Proud Mary, keep on burning. Had to give y'all a little something. And as you can see, my curls are popping. My hair loves this mask. I've been using this mask for some months now, and I absolutely love it. So all of it's on now, and I'm gonna place a plastic cap, and I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer, a hooded dryer, for 15 minutes to really get that mask working on my curls and strands and things. And make sure you get all your hair in there. Don't forget. So I deep conditioned, and this is my shrinkage. It's very real. The mask did its job. It's really soft and it feels so strong. So fast forward, I'm going to do some twists, you guys. So I put a gang of twists into my hair. So I'm going to show you guys exactly the process that I did in this smaller section. So I used the Argan Buttermilk leave-in hair milk, which is also milky and creamy. It feels great on my hair. It detangles my hair effortlessly. So I applied that first to my section here because I'm going to twist it, and then I detangled with a rake comb. And now I'm going to take the Pudding Perfection Curl Enhancing Cream, and this shapes and smooths your curls to twist them up. So I love this product too, and the consistency feels oh so good. So I applied that on top like so. And make sure I get all of the strands, smooth them on out, and really focus on the ends. And then proceed to twist it on up like this. All the way to the ends. And I like doing smaller sections because it gives me a better result with my hair. I really like the smaller twisted look. So I absolutely love doing this in smaller sections. So I'm going to do the same thing. I did the same exact step with all of my mini twists all over my head. So I make sure that I twist close to the scalp and then work my way down. And I really love these products because they're not heavy. They don't give me a heavy coated look or feel to my hair. So I really, really love these. These are my favorite. So I'm going to go to sleep, let this air dry overnight, or you can sit underneath a hooded dryer and let them dry. But I just went to sleep, and I'm going to wake up the next morning and take these down. Look at all these twists. And my hair is growing, y'all. I'm getting some length. Yes. Ooh. It is morning. And my hair is dry. And I am ready to unravel my twists. I know they're going to be amazing. So I'm going to put a little bit of avocado oil to my hands and unravel my hair. And you can see I have some amazing definition from the products that I used. I absolutely love the way my hair came out. It's everything. There's no frizz. It's just very defined, which I love. And that's what we want. And the shine is amazing. So you can see all that definedness. It's so everything. I love it. So now I'm not going to leave my hair like this, even though you can leave it with a more defined look. I am going to go through these little mini sections here and kind of separate the twists just to give it a more fluffed look. Fluff her out, give her some life. So I'm going to take my time and just make sure I really separate the twists. And fluff where you see it needs to be fluffed. And I take my fingers and kind of make sure I rub it against my scalp to get rid of any parts that might be visible. And she's coming together. She's becoming a fierce shiro like Taraji in Proud Mary. Now for my edges, I'm going to use Perfect Edges Extra Hold hair gel, and I love this stuff. Look how thick this is. It's gonna hold. So I put just a little bit on the back of my hand here, and I'm going to go ahead and work this onto my edges and just apply it directly to the edges, but don't go back too far because you don't want to mess up your twist out. So yes, edges, it's gonna get me all the way together. And I'm going to take this mini brush here. And I'm just going to brush this on in. And the hold is amazing. And we need this kind of hold when we're, fighting, handling business like Mary in Proud Mary. Like these edges will withstand whatever obstacle we are faced like Mary in Proud Mary, okay? These edges aren't going to go anywhere. So now I'm going to put on a scarf and let this sit for about 5 minutes because, just to make sure everything stays in place. And we are done with that. And this has some amazing shine to it. I absolutely love it. And I'm just going to brush my little baby hairs into place like so. And for some shine, I'm going to use the Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Mist. And I'm just going to spray this all over my hair as a finishing touch to add some extra shine. And, this will blind our enemies, when we're fighting and handling our business, being sheroes like we are. So now I'm just, making sure that my hair is in place and I'm ready to go. And I'm going to put on lipstick, to, get ready to do what I need to do. And put my gloves on, and my hair is done and I'm ready. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Proud Mary in theaters January 12th, and take your homegirls too. And thank you so much to Creme of Nature for collaborating with me on this video.